Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video conversation, we are going to talk about the languages which are supported by ChatGPT. In our research, when we were trying to do the research for this, we found that it supports many languages. We can see some of the list here, which consists of many international languages like Italian, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, and there are so many Indian regional languages as well. For example, Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi, Bengali, Hindi, and all. So it wanted to get the list of it, and if we wanted to get the actual information that what are languages that support, we found that who else better than ChatGPT can tell us about this. So we went ahead and we started putting this prompt to ChatGPT. We put this, how many languages do you support? And this was the question to ChatGPT. This was the answer that we received. As of my last update in January 2022, I support understanding generating text in multiple languages, which is English, Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Korean, Italian, Portuguese, Arabic, Dutch, and so many so, right? Uh, it is showing the here possibly January 22 because I am using ChatGPT's earlier version 3. I mean, not using the latest one, that earlier version, and that's where it is showing that. But it is really interesting that it supports most of the languages exist ever. I mean, I'm not saying that it is supporting all that languages existing on the planet right now, but yes, the model is being trained continuously, I think, and they are updating it, and I think the day is not far when we see that it's going to support almost everything on the planet, right? So our curiosity increased and we went ahead to check further. And this was our next question to ChatGPT. Can you answer in Hindi? Those who are not aware of this language, this is an Indian language, Hindi. And here was the answer surprisingly. हाँ मैं हिंदी में जवाब दे सकता हूँ आपका सवाल क्या है The literally English of this is yes I can answer in Hindi what is your question. So you can see here that the efficiency of ChatGPT, the way this has been responded back, the grammar, the accuracy, the everything is so absolute and so correct here. Before the move, I had to check it for some other Indian regional languages. One of the languages is Bengali, and that's where we ask, can you answer in Bengali? And this time we added one more uh, you know, task to the prompt. Please show output format phonetic in English. And here is the answer. হ্যাঁ আমি বাংলায় উত্তর দিতে পারি আপনার প্রশ্ন কি so that's where the Bangla Bengali is that yes I can answer in Bengali what is your question. So you can see that it is efficiently able to handle or it is efficiently able to answer the question in the language that you want. We further ahead and we asked for Punjabi. Punjabi is again an Indian regional language which is spoken in especially in the state of Punjab. And here was the answer. हम मैं पंजाबी ਵਿੱਚ जवाब दे सकता हूँ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ सवाल ਕੀ है and you can see that the answer is in Punjabi phonetic in Punjabi letters, right? And here is that when I put it in Google Translator, yes, I can answer in Punjabi. What is your question? These were a couple of Indian regional languages. We wanted to check for some international language, and hence we went for Spanish language, and we asked the same question. The question was, can you answer in Spanish? And here is the answer. Yeah, sí, puedo responder en español. ¿Cuál es tu pregunta? So if I cannot my pronunciation is not that great in Spanish. Excuse me for that. But yes, this is so accurate. I put it forward on Google, and I could see that yes, I can answer in Spanish. What is your question? So it was cross-verified. We checked it for French as well, and we could get the so expected answer in French as well. Having said that, we have checked for many Indian regional languages as well as international languages. We wanted to see these in action, and that's where we wanted to go to ChatGPT interface and see this if it is how it behaves on that, right? So let's go there. So I am here in Google Chrome and I am opening ChatGPT, chat.openai.com. I am already logged in. That's why it is shown here. So you see this here. And what I'm trying to do is I am trying to copy the can you answer in French? And then I'm trying to, let's say, enter, and instead French, I am just trying to do, say, Spanish, and then I'm trying to enter this, and here is the answer. Yep. So can you answer in Spanish? So that the answer is here, right? Let's say if I am going to take it for, let's say, Hindi. बिल्कुल मैं आपकी किसी मदद के लिए यहाँ हूँ. So this time the answer little bit answer is changed. बिल्कुल मैं आपकी किसी भी मदद के लिए यहाँ हूँ is a little changed here. The with the one which I captured during the video the PPT preparation. But yes, the meaning is almost the same. So it responds in the way that we are asking, right? So as we have seen the things in action, how is it going to impact, and how why if ChatGPT provides so many languages and supports so many languages, how is it going to help others, or it is how good it for good it is it good for ChatGPT as well? So if it has providing so many languages and regional languages as well as net many other international languages, the richer is wider. It is able to reach the wider audience. It improves the customer experience. Think of a scenario wherein you are asking a question in your native language and you are getting answer in the same way. You will feel more attached to the system, right? So ChatGPT is going to really help in that way, so that if you are asking question in your original in your native language and you are going to get uh, answer in the same native language with so accuracy, so the model is being trained in such a way that it maintains everything. So accuracy, 100% accuracy, it is coming along with, and so it improves the customer experience. All obviously it is saving time and money, and it has no competition if it is the way it is being updated, and then the way it is being serving. I think it's going to be beating the market, and it's going to be really leading the market. And brand image, suppose if you are improve the brand image, if you are, let's say, if you are a person running a small shop in the remote place of any country, let's say in India, you are, let's say, running a business at a remote place, and you want to help how to grow your business, and you really don't have any idea. So what we can do is, you know that you know your regional language, you can go to ChatGPT and you can ask the simple question. We will see this in action. We'll try asking ChatGPT to help us improve business, and let us see how it reacts, and how answer that we are going to receive. So this way you can improve your brand image, you can improve your business as well, and helps learning in new languages. So it's in no time you can learn new languages. So we'll see one example of learning a new language. Here I'm going to say, as a Bengali language tutor, I am new to learning Bengali. What are 20 most common phrases in Bengali? Provide translation and pronunciation. That's the prompt I created, and I entered to ChatGPT. Let us see how ChatGPT responded back. ChatGPT responded with, absolutely, here are 20 essential Bengali phrases along with their translation and pronunciation. Hello, goodbye, bidai, please, অনুগ্রহ করে, thank you, ধন্যবাদ, you are welcome, আপনাকে স্বাগত, yes, ha, no, na, excuse me, daya kore. Like this, you see that there are a lot many. And at last it is also saying that practice these phrases regularly and you will start feeling more confident and speaking Bengali, right? So I've seen this in Bengali. Let us try see if I want to learn an international language called Spanish, how can we check this with the ChatGPT? Let's go in ChatGPT again. So I am here in ChatGPT again, and I'm trying to enter the prompt. I am telling that I act as a Spanish language tutor. So those who are knowing prompt, this is a persona that you are going to create. You are trying to say ChatGPT to act as a Spanish language tutor, and then you are saying that help learning Spanish. What are two phrases in Spanish? And provide translation. You can see. So you see that there are 20 phrases that ChatGPT, hola, adios, that is goodbye, por favor means please, thank you, gracias. So you said na, de nada, that is you are welcome. So you see that, and at last it is also giving some suggestion, right? I hope these phrases help you in Spanish learning. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. So this way, you can actually do this with uh, anything, right? So let's say I'm telling Hindi is an Indian language, and then I say Hindi, and then I say Hindi again, and then I'm sending it. So namaste, dhanyavad, shukriya, kaise ho, main theek hoon. So see these all stuffs, right? So we have seen that when we enter our prompt in English, it was responding back to us. How about entering the prompt in native language? So let us try. I have two prompts here. One is in Hindi language, that is an Indian language, and the another prompt is in Spanish. And there is a story of La Mulata de Cordoba in French, in Spanish. I'm sorry. So we will try to look for this story, the context, and also there was a the father of the nation is called Mahatma Gandhi. We will talk about. I will try to get information about him in Hindi as well. So let us see how ChatGPT reacts on when we are trying to enter the prompt in the native languages. So let's go and see this. So I'm right here in Chat GPT interface again, and I'm entering this Mahatma Gandhi ke bare mein batao. In English, it is called as tell me about Mahatma Gandhi, and here I'm hitting the button, and it is saying जरूर महात्मा गांधी भारतीय स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के महान नेता थे उनका पूरा नाम ये था. So this things he is going to tell whole stuff about, I mean, all the details of Mahatma Gandhi and the facts and figures and everything. It is there, right? I'm also going to talk about the other story of Spanish story. So I'm coming here, I'm trying to enter this and see this all start saying about the Spanish story in Spanish language only. So what we learn here is we can enter the prompt in the native language which we wish. And since ChatGPT supports many languages, we have a free hand to write our prompts in that specific language as well, right? We have seen all those languages that are supported by ChatGPT. We also tried to see what happens when we try entering prompt in native languages, and we have seen the magic that ChatGPT supports that all. I understand that the model is being trained very efficiently, and the day is not far when we see that it is going to support all possible languages on the planet. Hope you like this video and this video has been informative for you. Thanks for watching. See you in some next video. Bye bye.